Welcome to the Austrian-German tutorial. In this tutorial we learn 10 important Austrian phrases that are very helpful when you visit Austria. After having watched this video, you know what certain phrases mean, such as Schauen wir mal, Passt es, this is wurscht. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to the Austrian-German tutorial. The learning goal of this Austrian-German tutorial is to get to know 10 important Austrian phrases that are very helpful in everyday conversation. First of all, let's start with the phrase Gehen wir's an, packen wir's. Gehen wir's an, packen wir's means let's get started. It is used before you start an activity or your work. Gehen wir's an, packen wir's. Second, the phrase Schauen wir mal is very popular and is often said in various contexts. Schauen wir mal means we will see. We can use it when we talk about the future, as a gap filler, or if you don't agree but you want to seem polite. It is also common in Bavaria. For instance, it is the favorite phrase of the German football legend Franz Beckenbauer, who loves to say Schauen wir mal. Third, in Austria you might often hear the question Passt es? Passt es can be translated as Is everything alright? You come across Passt es in restaurants or in shops. If you want to answer the question Passt es, you can say Ja, passt, danke, if everything is alright or everything is okay. Ja, passt, danke. A very famous phrase in Austrian German is "this is wurscht". This is wurscht means it doesn't matter, never mind. The one-to-one translation of "this is wurscht" is "that is sausage". That wouldn't make much sense in English. If you want to say "I don't care", you can also choose "this is mir wurscht". This is mir wurscht. Another important phrase in Austria is "das geht sich aus". "Das geht sich aus" means it is possible, we can manage that. For example, at the moment it is very stressful, but we can manage it. Could sound like Es ist viel los, aber es geht sich aus. Es geht sich aus. If you follow the Austrian-German tutorial regularly, you know the next phrase for sure. Bist du deppert? Bist du deppert is a frequently used phrase in Austria, and learners like using it. Bist du deppert means are you stupid? On the one hand, it can be a very informal and rude insult. On the other hand, it is just a sign of surprise in most of the cases. Bist du deppert? A traditional Austrian saying goes like this: Kupft wie gesprungen. Kupft wie gesprungen can be translated as jumped like leaped. The meaning behind it is that both actions come to the same result, no matter if you jump or leap. Kupft wie gesprungen. Furthermore, an Austrian proverb is Hilft's nix, so schaut's nix. This means if something doesn't help, it doesn't have a negative impact. For instance, you try a special tea and you are not sure if it works. You can say Hilft's nix, so schaut's nix. Finally, I'd like to present a positive phrase. Wird schon werden. Wird schon werden means everything's gonna be alright. There is the saying Wird schon werden, sagt Frau Kern. You might translate it Everything's gonna be alright, Mrs. Albright. Wird schon werden. I hope I could give you a little insight into some Austrian phrases. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next Austrian-German tutorial. Auf Wiedersehen.